Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. Today is the 7th of October. This is the year of the 7. So we're going to release this because it's all about the jackpot, the spiritual jackpot, manifesting the physical jackpot. Today was an excellent day, amazing. Aquarius Maximus, that queen, goat, and a lot of other things. She blessed us with something serious today as far as our numerology class. All day today, Saturday, we had a numerology class, and she made it make sense. Today is a 3 of diamonds day for me. And again, my 52-day card is still the 7 of diamonds. It makes total sense. I'm just naturally allowing things to be and losing the desire for control. That's a condition that we all work on every day. So you never get it wrong and you never get it done. So that's a great concept, critical concept also. But just learn your numbers. Learn your numbers and let your life's true DNA come to the surface and shine your light. Because unity, community, and at the end of the day, it's a new nation. It's a new tribal nation. And we all take part in it. It's just knowing what position that you're in to be able to work with the next piece to the puzzle. Nothing but jackpot affirmations, confirmations in the class today. And moving forward, she will get 10 times the publicity because the group that was in class with myself today, we got a lot of confirmations on how moving forward this thing is going to unfold if we just play our position. Everyone just play their position. Because at the end of the day, each piece is just important as the next piece. So it only makes sense that if you're a life path 8, you would bump into or get to know the 9 that's connected to your 8. It's a beautiful thing, but it takes divine desire to be detonated, and that's something that comes from within. So everyone has their own time, their own way, and their perspective is going to be their own. But if we work together as we're determined to do and actually designed to, those of us that know, those of us that don't, we'll try to help them find out and make it make sense for them if possible. If not, talk to you when I walk to you. Moving forward, that's what the I Am movement is. It is not a prejudice movement. It's actually proactive. Protect your energy, because that's one superpower that we all have. We all hold that superpower, but it's to the I Am self to be comfortable with it and share what they know, and then learn what they want to know and teach what they want to share. It's all connected. Just be, but there's no time limit on it. Time is an illusion, though the numbers make sense. So that means have control over the way the illusion affects the I Am self. And it's a collective, it's an individual immediately and initially, but then it becomes collective when the numbers start to come in sequence, like 1, 2, 3, 4. But at the end of the day, if we can't learn, teach, and share, I don't know, maybe we're just the worker bees of the movement. Everyone has a different part of the movement. Every position that's played is key. Rod Hayes say, no big I's and little U's. That's correct. But we're going to have to reverse engineer this thing. And we can do it. We will do it. We are doing it. So just continue to just be. it was very inspiring. It was very inspiring to get the lessons and the blessings with today's all-day classes. Again, much gratitude and appreciation goes out to everyone that was on that call. We have activated a new level of awareness and action. It's time for action. It's time for action. It's time for action. It's time for action. But at the same time, take it in. Take the moment in. Don't disconnect to the point where you're not able to appreciate every breath of fresh air. Moment to moment, share with loved ones, friends, and even those that are not vibing with us at the same time. In the end, it'll come together because the design is what it's designed. And there's nothing anyone can do about the design of what is to be. Well, you can get out of the way and blow in the wind with tumbleweed, or you can stand in the way and fight it, and pretty much you'll be vertical to horizontal, fighting the current. Let's go with it. Backstroke. And let's see on the other side. Again, great class on numerology. Thank you, Queen Aquarius Maximus. Thank you, tribe that was present. Those that weren't, you missed a good one. You missed a good one. You missed a good one. Ashe, ashe, ashe.